Tykes is about to change the real estate game, and if you don't know what Tykes is, it's the first NFT dedicated to merging real estate with the blockchain. It's going to offer tons of real-world value, including digital real estate masterminds, real-life events, Tykeshare, education, and Tycoin. So stick around if you want to know more about each one. Who is Tykes for? Sure, you can make a quick buck if you want to flip them, but the real value comes from the utility that Tykes offers. You see, unlike typical NFTs that are geared towards anyone really, Tykes is designed to connect real estate professionals, investors, Web3 experts, developers, entrepreneurs, and more to create the future of digital real estate. So before I dive deep into the utility, I first want to go over the tier system of Tykes. So owning one Tyke will get you access to the Tykes ecosystem.
You're going to be in the community, you're going to get education, that Tyke is going to be able to be staked, you're going to get Tycoin from it, you know, we're going to have all these events and different things.
Owning 5 Tykes, which I do, gets a little bit more interesting. You get access to special Discord chats, which allow you to network with a bunch of other Tykes holders. You also have access to marketplace exclusives, NFT drops, and more. And finally, you do get a free Tyke as long as you stake them.
Get to 5 at a minimum, I would suggest.
Owning 20 Tykes gets you board member access. This is basically an exclusive group that gets you priority and exclusive material, so think of it sort of like a VIP. And the first board meeting is also scheduled for later this month, which is
September 25th at the Tykeshare here in Vegas. They're going to be the first people to ever see this Tykeshare.
Tykeshare. Think of Tykeshare like an exclusive Airbnb only for Tykes holders, where you'll be able to use your Tycoin to be able to pay for the Tykeshare. Tycoin. So Tycoin is going to be the digital currency of Tykes, and it's going to let you purchase anything in the Tyke ecosystem. And the way to earn Tycoin is by staking Tykes. And the amount of Tycoins that you get will depend on the rarity of your Tyke. Common will get you 20 per day, rare will get you 30 per day, legendary will get you 40 per day, mythical will get you 50 per day, and finally divine will get you 60 per day. This compounds 10% per month and is capped at 1 year. So after 1 year, you're going to be getting 57 Tykes per day, according to math and this fancy chart. Digital real estate masterminds. This allows Tykes holders to collaborate in business to get special access to invest in startups, real estate deals, metaverse land deals, and more. Real life events. Tykes holders will get special access to real life meetings, trainings, and conferences. Education. There will be online and real life training available to Tykes holders. There's also going to be a marketplace that you can kind of think like
a mix between like an Upwork/Fiverr, kind of like an eBay or a Craigslist.
What does this all mean to you? So if you're somebody currently interested or involved in real estate and are looking to connect with like-minded individuals, then joining the Tykes ecosystem wouldn't be a bad idea. Why I joined? So in the past, I was really interested in real estate, and I was even looking for my first house hack, but I had to stop shortly because of reasons. So even though I'm not flipping, I'm not wholesaling, or really involved in real estate at all, I still wanted to be a part of the Tykes community. And real estate's always gonna be there, and even though I'm not involved at this moment, I know later in the future I will be. So I've been following Ryan Pineda for a few years now, and I've been able to see his life and business evolve. And everything he set his mind to ended up being successful. He successfully launched his brokerage, his YouTube channel, Future Flipper, True Books, Lunar Ecom, Pineda Capital, and now Tykes. So considering this is his first NFT project, and it's the first NFT involved in real estate, I knew this was something I wanted to be a part of. But that's my opinion, but what do you guys think? Do you think NFTs are still here to stay? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe and click the bell notification to know when next video comes out. And until next time, bye.